Welcome to Spice Island Podcast. Please support the channel by hitting the subscribe and like button on the way in. Thanks, and let's get into it. Today, we have some updates on the Hudson River helicopter crash that killed a family of 5 and their pilot on April 10th, 2025. In my previous video, we spoke about the crash, the family that lost their lives, and the company that the mother and father worked for. But at the time of the recording, the pilot was not yet identified. Today, we have his name and his background career-wise, so let's get into it. The pilot of the Hudson River April 10th crash has been identified as 36-year-old Sean Johnson from Chicago. He is an ex-Navy SEAL veteran who has extensive experience with flying helicopters, even though some news says this model would have been a smaller model than what he's used to in the Navy. He is missed dearly by friends who have served with him in the Navy. Once again, my condolences to the family of the 6 people that died. Another update is the tour company that operated the helicopter is now shutting its doors and shutting down services as the investigation continues into what caused the crash. Is this shutdown permanent? Only time will tell. The name of the company is the New York Tours. Speculations have begun to rise, of course, one being about the Jesus nut. This is a bolt that connects the rotor and the cabin together, but it's only one bolt, so I can see where the name came from. With the helicopter being detached from the rotor, this seems to be the most plausible explanation for what happened. But we are not the investigators, so we will keep this story close and keep you all updated. Thoughts? Comment down below and sound off your thoughts on flying. Does this incident, along with all other plane incidents from January this year, put fear in you from flying again? Let me know. Hit that like and subscribe button and share this video. Let's get the conversation going. Spice Island Podcast, I'm out.
Gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah. No, there, Gary, very sharp. What's your name? No, technically not, but I'm the problem. It's behind me. No, it's I do like there's not. Man, move your car. Yeah. Where are you from? outside, I tried to throw a jet in my butt. Like, I don't need a jet right now. I was like, why?
We do not have a preliminary cause. That takes time. As I stated, our team focused on helicopter airworthiness and structures and systems is at the facility with the wreckage, doing the wreckage exam. That takes time. Of course, it takes time to also gather information, records that we need to comb through. So we do not have that at this time.
No, this is the first time. And it's sinking. The last time something like this happened was when the plane crash landed. Oh my god, all these police now.
In Washington?
Here, in this river.
What plane?
There was a plane, jet blue plane, like a passenger plane.
DC?
No, I didn't live here that time.
See if I can see this. It sounds like the road is just separated from other things. I don't know for sure if that's the case, but it's very unusual. Do you want to dial me in so I can hear? It's up to you.
It looks like they're getting ready to